Slow down, hold it right there. We are good to go, keep lowering. Keep the flow steady. Move the boom to the east section. We need more material over here. Watch your step. 拿给带过来。
对，往左边。
赶快，记住嘞。
Truck 25 approaching the north ramp.
Copy that. Keep it steady. We have flow here.
Keep the flow steady, don't stop. Move that boom to the left side now. We are clear on this section, keep going. Okay, center point confirmed. Mark the core here. Got it. Spraying now.
All right, easy now, easy.
We're secure on this side. Get the pins in.
Alrighty team, easy on the west side. Lower it slowly, we are almost there. Move the hose to the left, we need more coverage over there. Alright, pulling it back now. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment on the far side. Okay, it's steady now. Bring it down another meter.
All right, slowly lower the truss into zone 2 now. Watch the alignment on column 6. Keep it steady, watch the rotation. We are clear for zone 2 insertion.
Confirmed. Lowering now.
Easy now, lower it slightly. Watch the alignment on the left. Hold it there. Secure the clamps. Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Okay, hold it steady right there. Easy now, lower it. Watch the edge, watch the edge. Okay, hold it right there.
Slow down the pump pressure. Keep it steady on the left side.
Hold the lift at 100 meters.
Copy that, holding steady. All right, bring it down 50 centimeters. Steady, steady. Lock it in place.
The core reaches zone 7, and the floor plates are getting smaller as the tower tapers.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Almost there. Get the wrench ready.
The tower surpasses the Shanghai World Financial Center per Tertorliv, becoming the tallest in China.
Watch the clearance on the south side. Slow down, bring it left slightly. All right, set it down easy.
The mega columns terminate, and the structure shifts to a lighter steel frame for the crown.
Control room, begin descent sequence. Level 5 centimeters per minute. Monitor cable tension on the west side.
Lower slowly, watch the clearance. Okay, hold it steady right there. Roger, plate is secure.
We did it! We successfully completed the core structure.
Lower it slowly. Watch the guide.
It's in position. Secure the connection.
Lower the boom, easy now, watch the edge. Copy, descending.
Okay, lower it slowly.
Watch the alignment on the left.
Secured, thumbs up. That's it, she's home. All right, boys, let's get this bolted up.
Keep it coming forward, nice and slow.
All right, easy now, we're almost aligned.
Clearance looks good, lock it down.
Move it slightly to the left. Okay, I got it. Looks aligned now.
小丽这边来一点儿，好的，放下去滑。
That should do it. Well done. Yes, it looks happy here.
The laser scan confirms the alignment tolerance on strut 4B.
Excellent. Log that as approved in the system.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, move it to the truck.
Where should this laptop be set up?
Near the window for now. We'll finalize the layout tomorrow.
Welcome. How many tickets will you need today?
2 adults and 1 child, please. Are the transparent walkways open?
Yes, they are.
Oh my goodness, look at that!
Is that the Pearl Tower right there?
Yes. It's absolutely breathtaking.
Look at the view from up here.
Oh. It's incredible. I didn't know this was open. Okay, the voltage is stable now.
Pin 3 seems correct according to the schematic. We can proceed.
Okay, everyone, say cheese.
Wow, this looks amazing. Let's take one more, quick.